Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. This is the reading for whosoever required. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for whosoever required. I hope I help you out in some manner and it will help you out, and take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Okay, so take according to your situation. If it is resonating, then it's your reading, and if it is not resonating with you, then it's not your reading. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for whosoever required. What are the messages? Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for whosoever required. The Chariot, the Empress, the Love, Two of Swords. So you want to move, you have to move in a forward direction in your love life, and you are unable to make a decision here. Let me see more cards first. Any other message for whosoever? Ace of Swords and the Hierophant. You are unable to make a decision, even if you are already having a clarity here. Okay, you are having a clarity, but still you cannot make a decision, but you have to make a decision. Page of Swords, Hangman, the Sun. Don't worry at all. Okay, don't worry at all. Bottom of the deck I'm having Queen of Cup, the Transformation. Okay, there is Sun, there is Hierophant, there is Chariot. There are many major arcanas. There are new happy beginnings which are coming for you here. Maybe right now you are unable to make a decision. Okay, you are feeling like an hangman, but don't worry, the Sun is coming for you. Can you see? This is Sun. The Sun is coming towards you. Maybe right now you are keeping tabs on someone, you are spying, you are gathering the information to make a decision. You need to make a decision here. You have to make a decision here. Okay, there is Hierophant. Either you want to get committed to this person, and you have this clarity here. Whosoever is watching this video, watching this reading, you have the clarity, but you still cannot make a decision here. Okay, Two of Swords is here. You want to make a decision in your love life. This is your love. And there is Chariot. You have to move in a forward direction. You are moving in a forward direction. You are the Empress. You are rising as an Empress. Okay, let me see any other message. Why there is Two of Swords here? You are doing your healing right now. You are resting and you are rejuvenating yourself. Okay, from the past things. Okay, because someone in the past, they give you deception. Someone left you out in the cold. Five of Pentacles and Seven of Swords. So someone give you deception, lying, cheating, manipulate you. They played games with you. They left you out in the cold, and from that thing you are doing your resting, you are doing your healing, you are rejuvenating yourself, and that's why you are unable to make a decision right now. See, the Hermit. You're doing your soul searching, you're doing your inner work, you're doing your hermit mode. Your hermit mode is on. There is World card here. You're completing a cycle. There is Ten of Cups. Happy family, happy life, which is coming for you. Don't worry at all. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Any other message for whosoever required? Justice will be served in your case. Okay, whosoever is this, justice will be served in your case here. Emperor and the Empress both are here. See, you are dealing with your divine counterpart, or the new person which is coming in your life. This is your divine counterpart, and justice will be served in your case. Okay, that's your divine counterpart. Okay, so yes, that was your reading. That was a quick reading. Okay, and let me see one more thing. Okay. Okay. This is beautiful reading. You will move in a forward direction. See, Emperor, 3 of Cups, 2 of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune will move in a forward direction. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your direction here. 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups, and the Emperor again. So yes, they are going to give you 2 of Cups. This is beautiful energy. Okay. Beautiful. That's what I want to take for the Emperor clarification, and they are going to give you 2 of Cups. So you want to move in a forward direction, but right now you are unable to make a decision because you are healing from the past things, because you are healing from the deception which you received in the past, because someone left you out in cold. But now you are doing your soul searching. You are in a hermit mode. Maybe you are feeling like an hangman. You cannot move in a forward direction, but don't worry, new happy beginnings are coming for you. This is the sun. The sun is coming for you here. Okay, you're completing a cycle here. The World card is here. The 10 of Cups and the Justice. Justice will be served in your case. Okay. And yes, you are dealing with your divine counterpart. Just take leap of faith and move in a forward direction. The Fool card is here. Wow. King of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, King of Wands, Ace of Cups, 3 of Cups, 3 of Wands. You will receive your emotional fulfillment for sure. So that was your reading, and let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. I don't know, I just received this message to make the video. They can be a Sagittarius here. They can be a Leo. They can be a Cancer, Pisces, Aquarius, Gemini, Capricorn, Libra, Aries, and Scorpio. Okay, so these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, so that was your reading. I hope I help you out in some manner. That was a short reading which I received the message that I have to do. They can be a Pisces here, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. There is a Scorpio here, Libra and Capricorn, Gemini and Aquarius, and there is Cancer. So that was your reading. I hope I help you out in some manner, but don't worry, you are unable to make a decision. Keep doing your healing, and don't worry, you are dealing with your divine counterpart, your Emperor, with your Emperor, and you will receive your justice. Okay, so that was your reading which I am getting for you. Take care of yourself, sending you lots of healing and happiness to whosoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself once again, and see you soon.